Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change your output resolution in OBS Studio. So for this, what you need to do is go to the file option from here, then you have to choose the settings option from here. After that you have to click on the video option from here, and here you will get the option of base resolution into 1920 into 1080 and output resolution to 1920 into 1080. You have to make sure that the screen resolution of your computer matches with the base resolution. So if you're unsure about the base resolution, then you have to click on the start button, then you have to click on the settings option from here, and after you after you click on the settings option from here, you have to click on the system option from here. After that you have to click on the display, and then you have to scroll down. Here you can see the display resolution is 1920 into 1080. It can vary according to your computer. After that you have to make sure that the resolution is matching with your settings, and then you have to choose the output resolution into 1920 to 1080 and aspect ratio into 16:9. I recommend you to choose the 16:9 because it is mostly accepted in most of the videos. So then you have to click on the apply, then you have to click on the OK. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.